Hi, my name is Dylan, and I will be going over Elementary and Intermediate Algebra Chapter 5.3. In this video, you'll be learning function notation. So we can name functions using function notation, and let's take the function y equals 5x plus 2. We can call this function f of x. Now f of x refers to this function, or f of x is equal to 5x plus 2. F of x means that this function revolves around the variable x, and it's also just another name for y. When we plug in certain values for x, or the inputs, we can show it by plugging it into f of x. So let's just take our function, f of x is equal to 5x plus 2. And now let's substitute 2 for x. We can show this by saying f of 2 is equal to 5 times 2 plus 2, basically meaning that the value of this function at x equals 2 is equal to the output, or 12 in this case. So let's just do some sample functions. Let's say f of x is equal to 5x plus 2, and we want to evaluate f of 2. So we just plug in 2 for x, and get f of 2 is equal to 5 times 2 plus 6. If we work it out, we get f of 2 is equal to 16. Now this one's a lot trickier. Evaluate f of x plus 2. So what's the difference? There's no difference actually. We just evaluate the same function as we would normally. Now x plus 2 isn't per se a number, but we can still plug it into the equation. So when we plug in x plus 2 into for x, we get 5 times x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to f of x plus 2. And we do the distributive property. We get 10x plus 10 plus 6, or 10x plus 16. Now, this last problem is find x when f of x is equal to 11. So what we do is we just do it the reverse way. Instead of plugging in something for x, we plug in a value for f of x. So 11 is equal to 5x plus 6. We subtract 6 from both sides, so we get 5 is equal to 5x. We divide both sides by 5, x equals 1. It's very similar to solving equations, and it's not really that different. Now let's model the number of students at a certain high school as n is equal to 400 plus 20t, where t is the number of years after 2014. We can rewrite this in function form using t as the independent variable and substituting f of t for n as a dependent variable. And it turns out the function is just f of t is equal to 400 plus 20t. And it's really just a different way of writing equations, but it becomes more valuable later on. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.